Hello everyone, this is Srikanth, working as assistant professor from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. In this video, I want to discuss about LeetCode problems. So we already have like different problems in LeetCode. So maximum I'm covering easy problem first, then we'll go for the medium, then we'll go for the hard. So in this video, the problem number is in from LeetCode. If you want to search in Google also, LeetCode 1768. You can search 1768, you will get the particular question. The question is merge string alternatively. So in previous videos, we discussed about arrays as well as string also. But in this video, we need to have like a different manner. So in previous videos, we have arrays, different arrays. In that array, how to add and how to subscribe those arrays. We done with different analysis. Now in this video, I want to go with strings. So we'll discuss some maximum difference array and strings. Then what's the problem statement and which condition is better and which logic is better, we'll discuss in this video. So please watch up to end. We'll get the exact idea about this problem. Now coming to problem statement, we have like two strings. Those variable names are word1 and word2. So we have two strings. Those variable names word1 and word2. So if you want to write in LeetCode, then which name they're given, we need to write in same manner. Otherwise, you can change in the method. In the method, we can change the variable names. Now, next one is we need to merge the strings. That means we need to add the strings alternatively. So we need to add the string alternate. If suppose we have the two strings, so I need to add those strings alternatively. Alternative means, again, check the any conditions we have. Strings with the starting with the first word. So if suppose I have A, B, C, this is my string 1, same string 2 equal to P, Q, R. So this is two strings. Now we want to add those, like I want to merge two strings with alternative. That means what? So in the string 1, so we said starting with string 1. So string 1, what we have? A. A is your starting output. Next one is P is second output. Then B is next character. And next one Q is one more next character. Then C is next character. And R is next character. So we need to go for the alternate, not like in order. And he given one more logic also. If suppose any string length is more, suppose string 1 length is 3 and the string 2 length also 3, then no problem. You can mix both characters. Now if suppose string 1 length is more as well as string 2 length is more, then if you have any other characters, then we need to mix each. Okay, we have the example here. Just check it. One example he given. Same ABC and PQR. We need to merge both, means A is starting, then P, then B, then Q, then C, then R. So we have adding one by one. This is your output. Now coming to one more example he given, that is if suppose I have the A and B. Check it. The length of string 1 is only 2 and word 2, that string 2 is length is 4. So string 1 length is 2, string 2 length is 4. Then how to mix? How to mix means same, starting with the first string. So first string character is A and second string first character is B. Then first string second character like B. Then second string second character, it's a Q. Then any characters we have in first string? No. Then go to second string remaining characters. How many we have? We can add those characters. Those are R and S. So this is your answer. This is your output. So merged output is AP, BQ. Up to that, so AB, AP, BQ. Up to this, we have the same. Like in string 1, 2 characters and string 2, 2 characters. We done. Then remaining characters in string 1 or string 2, if you have the remaining characters, we need to add into end in order. So this is the logic. Now coming to one more example, if suppose I have A, B, C, D in string 1, and P and Q in string 2. Suppose I have the two strings again addition. Addition means again start with what? Start with a always string 1. String 1 is A. So in string 1 I have the A, and string 2 we have P. So string 1 0 first characters A, and string 2 first character is P. Done. Then string 1 second character is B, and string 2 second character is Q. Done. Next one what do we have? In string 1 third character is C, but what about string 2 third character? In string 2 we don't have third character. Then remaining character, if we have a remaining character in string 1, we add into end. So that is only D we have D. This is your answer. So depending upon like given inputs, we need to find out the lengths, we need to find out the like how to travel and which condition I need to use. Okay, these are the main problem statement, the given question. So we need to merge two strings alternatively. So this is your problem statement. Coming to which logic is better. Okay, so coming to which logic is better means you can use different logics. Better use 2 pointers or like for loop. So anything using 2 pointers also you can do. Otherwise you can use the for loop. You can also do. So better use the for loop. Suppose both are same. If suppose both characters are same, string 1 and string 2, both characters length A, B, C and P, Q, R, these are the both characters. Suppose this length is 3 and this length is 3. So then mixing is for loop. For loop means so traveling like your characters. Traveling your character is, it's very simple as T is your arrays. In arrays, suppose this is my list. Suppose list we have 1, 2, 3. Then traveling means 0th index, 1th index and 2nd index. So you want travel like using for loop means for I in, suppose this is array A. Done. For I in A, that means what is the I values? I value equal to 1, I value equal to 2, I value equal to 3. So which values we have in the list, same thing we have the I values. If suppose you are writing the for I in range, for you are writing the range, then what is the logic? So you want to write the range means depending upon length of your array, right? Length of your array. So what is the I value now? I value is depending upon length. Length is 1, 2, 3. Length is 3. So I need to travel what? I equal to 0, I equal to 1, I equal to what it equal? I equal to 3, I equal to, there is no 3. So 3 means stop the for loop. So stop your iteration. So we have I equal to 0, 1, 2. So depending upon this, I can get the particular character. So how will you get the particular characters? A particular value means array of 0. Otherwise array of 1. Otherwise array of 2. So this is the logic to get the 1, 2, 3 values. So which values we have in the array, we will get the 1 by 1. So this is about array. Now coming to string. String also maximum same. So string also will get the maximum as you can travel as index. Now coming to string. So 0th index, 1th index, 2nd index. Same 0th index, 1th index, 2nd index. What is your aim? Your aim is we need to merge the particular string. We need to get the string output. Like first one is string 1, then string 2 characters. So 0th index is common. Now I will start the for loop for I in string or range. So here I need to write the range. So I need to write the range. Range of what? Your range of length of your both character. Here I said both strings length is same. So I will use the string 1. Now what is the I value now? I value equal to 0, I value equal to 1, I value equal to 2. Then I need to add those characters. What is that? Particular result equal to empty now? Empty string. Then I will add R equal to R plus your string 1 of I. What is the meaning of this? So here I am adding the particular characters. So which character this is? String 1 of I means 0th character. So added your particular A. Then added your particular B. Same R equal to add your P. So starting A, then P. That is 0th index value. Then what is the I value? I equal to 0 means we have the string 1 value as well as string 2 value added into result. Then I equal to 1. I equal to 1 means again B and Q. B and Q. Again, I equal 2. I equal 2 means C and R. C and R. So this is very simple way to write the code. If you know the logic. Here, your aim is what? I have the string 1 and string 2. Both lengths are same. Guys, remember. So I'm writing the logic is, if suppose both lengths are same, then what is your aim? So 0th index, 1th index, 2nd index. That means if suppose length is 3, then 0th index, 1th index, 2nd index. So 3 indexes I have. Now 0th index characters, I need to mix them. So first I will add the string 1, then I will add the string 2 over at 0th index. Next, 1th index, add the string 1, then add the string 2. Then 2nd index, add the string 1, add the string 2. Done. This is when both lengths are same. String 1 length as well as string 2 length, both lengths are same. Then use this logic. If suppose my length is different. Now my length, what is your length? Suppose string 1 equal to A and B and string 2 equal to P, Q, R, S. Any other, like string 1 length is more or string 2 length is more, no problem. Now what is the length of this? This is 2. This is like 4. Done. Now I want to travel. If suppose I want to travel up to like string 1 length. So you can use any other logic, but if suppose I'm using like a string 1 length. So I will write the for I in range of length of your string 1. This is my first starting. What is the I value now? I value equal to 0, I value equal to 1. Why? So my length is only 2. So 0th index, 1th index. Then I will add those characters, right? Which characters? 0th index. So in my result, first 0th index characters A and P, then 1th index character. Your result equal to AP, then B and Q. Done. Then for loop is over. Then remaining what? If suppose if we have the any characters in S2, if we have the any character in S2, then what? I need to add those characters into my result. So your R equal to AP, BQ done. Then any characters we have in S2, yes, we have S2, that is R and S. Sir, if suppose your string length is your lesser, then string length is more, then you can add the string 2 characters. Otherwise, string 1 is more. Then if suppose my string 1 is A, B, C, D, E, now this is a 5, this is a 4, then this condition is, will get the error. Why? Means I equal 0 is done, I equal 1 is done, I equal 2, then I equal 3. So 0, 1, 2, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4 I have. So my character is 5. So I equal 4 also I have. So then I need to add, what is that? A, P, B, Q is done. Then A, P, B, Q. Then in second character. So I equal 2 means like we have the I in second index characters. Second index, which characters we have? C and R. So C and R is added. Then again third index A, P, B, Q, C, R. Then third index we have D and S is done. Then fourth index means A, P, B, Q, C, R, D, S up to this. Okay. Then fourth index we have the string 1 character. String 1 character is there. What about string 2 characters? Out of index. Then we need to add the conditions. We need to add the condition and get the answer. We need to add the condition, get the answer. Done. So we'll do the program now using Python. Okay, using Python we'll do the program. Now coming to your code. So I'll write the method. Any method name is your wish, but I have the word 1, comma, word 2, like parameters I have. You given 2 strings. I have the word 1 and word 2, both are 2 strings. Now what is your aim? I need to find out the length. Suppose length 1 equal to length of word 1, then length 2 equal to ln of word 2. So this is about what? So I get the length 1 as well as length 2 values. Length 1 and length 2 values. I want to take the inputs also. One second. I want to take the inputs from this example. So example 2 he given. I want to use this example. So W1 and W2. Suppose I want to call the method print. I want to print like function. Which function we have? That function with word1 comma word2. So I have the function. I call the function with the two parameters, two strings. Now I want to return. Suppose I want to check the what is the length 1 and length 2. So better return your particular L1 comma L2. Done. So now check it. So 4 comma 2. So length, string 1 length is 2, string 2 length is 4. Then what is your aim? I want to travel minimum length or maximum length. So better use the maximum length. Why means if suppose using maximum length, suppose my length is so A, B, P, Q, R, S. So here I have I equal to 0, right? I equal to 1. Then I equal 2. I equal 2 means I don't want to check this particular characters. Why means my length is only 2. So you can write the if condition there. So here I can write the condition. So remaining all I can travel, right? Remaining all I can travel. But here I can write the condition. So using some logic, if condition, you can stop these characters. I don't want to check the remaining characters. Why mean my length is only 2. When we have the length is only 2, then I don't bother about the remaining characters. That means there is no characters. Now we can add this logic. So which is the better means better consider the maximum length. So what is your maximum length? That is L2. Then use the maximum. You can use the max of L equal. So the L means you want to travel. So max of your L1 comma L2. So you can write the max. Otherwise you can write the if condition also. So otherwise, one second, you can write the max and check it once. L1 comma L2. So what is your L value? So you want to go for the print L also. Check it now. So that is 2, 4 and 1. So L 1 now. Once again. L value, not 1 value. L. L. Done? Yes. So we have 2, 4 and 4 is maximum. There 4 is maximum. In that 2 and 4, 4 is maximum. So we have the maximum length. Otherwise, you can write one more logic. If you don't know the max logic, then if L1 less than L2, then your L equal to what? L equal to L2. Otherwise your L equal to L1. So any other, if you use a max, or you can use the if condition. If condition means you are not utilizing any memories, inbuilt keywords. Without inbuilt keywords, you are going to write this logic. Now check it. Same. So we have the maximum length now. Done. Now what is your aim? Maximum length, I get that from the two strings. Then I want to travel the for loop. For I in range of L. So I have the I values 0, 1, 2, 3. So my length, string 2 length is 4. Then string 2 length is 4. Here my string is A and B, right? A and B is first string. Then P, Q, R, S. So my string length is 4. So my what is your aim? I equal to 0, I equal to 1, I equal to 2, and I equal to 3, and I equal to 4. These are the my I equal 4 is there? No, I think only I equal 3. My length is 4 means 0th index, 1th index, 2nd index, and 3rd index. 4th index is no. So if you observe here, 0th index, 1th index, 2nd index, and 3rd index. 4th index, we have only 4. Up to 4 you can stop. Now your 0th index, which characters we have? Here A and P, right? In 0th index, string 1 A, string 2 P. Next 1th index, B and Q. And 2nd index, there is no characters, but we have the R. Here, there is no character, but we have the S. Done. So I need to add those values every time. That means I require one empty string. So before start your logic, create one empty string. R equal to my empty string. Then for I, if you don't have any condition, then R equal to R plus, you can write like R equal to, otherwise you can write R plus equal to R equal to R plus your word of your particular character. Done. Same R equal to R plus word of particular character. Which word? Word is here word 1 starting, and here word 2 is next one. If you observe your particular R value, before I will print every time, okay, print R every time, okay. Now check it. Starting I have the A and P. So in 0th index, see this. In 0th index, I added P and Q. So P and Q I added, done. Then second index. Second index means AP, BQ. AP, BQ is done. But third index, that is out of range. So your index is out of range. So then when you write the small condition, what is your condition? So I have the I values, right? What is I value? 0, 1, then 2. 2 means which condition you can write. So here you can write the condition means which condition? Your 2 is there, I equal value, but compared to what? Length. Very good. We need to compare with the length. Length means your L1. L1 less than 2. What is L1? L1 is 2. 2 less than 2. False. False means no need to add those characters. Yes, superb. Now go to your particular question. Now he given the two different strings. Suppose string 1 or string 2. Okay, no need to worry about which string is greater, but I need to travel greater length. So which length is more, then I will travel up to there. But I want to add some condition. Which condition? If your L1 less than I. What is L1? L1 is a 2. For this particular example, L1 is a 2. What is your I now? I equal 0, satisfied. I equal 1, satisfied. But I equal 2, not satisfied. Then no need to append the values. So then this adding is in the particular condition. Then one more. Same. L2 also. Why means if suppose length 1 is greater, string 1 length is greater, string 2 length is smaller, then again same out of index, same condition. If L2 less than your I, then need to add. Check it now. Here condition is, two condition is, here your I equal to 0, I equal to 1, I equal to 2, and I equal to 3. For this particular example, L1 equal to 2 and L2 equal to 4. Then your aim is what? Your I equal 0 means 0 less than, your L1. 2, L1 is 2, right? 2 less than 0. So when you write the like a reverse logic, one second. I less than L1. I less than L1. Or I less than L2. I less than L2. Not logic is, again, don't change the logic. So your aim is what? Your aim is your 0 less than 2. True or false? Yes, true. Again, L2 logic. L2 logic means 0 less than 4. Again, true. So both is true means I added the words. First character words. Next condition, I equal to 1. I equal to 1 means 1 less than 2. Done. Again 1 less than 4. Again true. So both true means I added the characters in both. Now next, I equal to. So 2 less than 2. True or false? False. Then your string 1 character is no need to insert. Then 2 less than 4. Yes, true. True means we can add those characters. Which string 2 characters? Done. So string 1 is, there is no characters, but string 2 is there, we can add. Then last one, I equal to 3. I equal to 3 means your, again, 3 less than 2. Again false, there is no characters. Then last one is 3 less than 4. Yes, again true means you can add the characters. Any other for loop? For loop is done. Exit the loop. What and return your particular value, R value. So if you run it, one second, yes. See, so every step you can print here. So first one is we have the 0th index values, then second index values, then third index. So third index values, we don't have like third index, only one character we have. Next to fourth index, that means 0th index, 1th index, second index, next third index. Third index is only one character. String 1 is there is no values. If suppose. Okay, done guys. I think you clear about this program. Once again, we'll check it. The string length 1 is more. String length is 1 more. B, C, D, E, F. Any other numbers? Any other characters also? No, check it. 0th index. Now, what is your length of A? Length of A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Length of A is 6. So we need travel what? We need travel up to zeroth index, 1th index, 2nd index, 3rd index, 4th index, and 5th index. Right? Your length is 6. So when you travel up to 5. 0th index, done. 1th index, done. And 2nd index, 2 characters, done. Then 3rd index also, D and S, done. Now 4th index, I don't have like string 2 characters, so only E is added. And 5th index, I don't have like one more character, so F only added. So 1th index, 0, 1, 2, 3, up to 3, both string 1 and string 2 characters we have. But coming to like 4 and 5, I have only string 1 characters, word 1 characters. So this is about simple logic to get your problem. Now, if you want to change with 2 pointers, you can change with 2 pointers also, like first pointer for string 1, second pointer for string 2, and get the same logic. You can add those strings, and same thing if you want to open into a list, I can get the answer. That is different methods we have. This is a simple method and basic method. And coming to like a problem, this is a LeetCode number 1768 problem. And if you really enjoy this video, please share and subscribe my channel, and share this video to your friends. And channel IRE channel also, like we have a number of videos in the IRE channels. Please watch the IRE videos, and thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.